This is my 450 Blackhawk. I just started putting it together. You see there's a Garrett frame. I put the spacers up under it so it can sit up higher. And this is the Blackhawk with the doors that can open. Now, this is something I really like on the Blackhawk 450 that I'm building. Doors can open. And this is the tail that I built for it. Still have a little bit of cutting to do around here. This is something I recently seen on the internet, and I just wanted to make a tail to look like it, like the stealth Blackhawk that they used in the raid and some of the Lions compound. It's the main frame. A couple of wires in there for the strobe light for the side. This is that strobe light right here. And I also have a 500 scale Blackhawk in the house, but I still have to buy a receiver and a remote for it. This one I have a long ways to go, but eventually I'll get it up and running. This is the one I really like the most. The tail, on the detail on the tail, I really did a lot of fabrication and welding. Have my welder there.